everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to another week of cards. I apologize for not having a card video for you guys on Friday, but I woke up Friday morning ready to film, and the neighbors across the street, two of them had tree work done. And not just the kind of tree work where they come and snip some limbs and then leave them on the curb so the trash can come and get them. They had the wood chippers out, and it was an all-day affair. So I didn't have a chance to film on Friday. And then Saturday, Rob had a doctor's appointment. We were out and about all day. So yeah, so I missed Friday. I apologize for that. But I'm here to make up for it today. And then I posted a bonus video yesterday if you missed it. So today we're using one of my most favorite stamp sets in the holiday catalog, the So Santa. This little chef and this little surfer Santa are probably my most favorite images other than the Santa's Workshop. I love them so much. So I'm going to be using this one, and then Sugar and Spice makes Christmas nice. I'm going to bring in my Stamparatus and a scrap piece of Whisper White. I'm going to be using my layering circle framelits to die cut Santa. So, I just want to make sure that I have enough room to go around him. He probably doesn't have to be that far away, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. Okay, I'm going to bring in my sentiment. I trimmed it down just a little bit so I could see a bit better about where it's going to go. I'm using Granny Apple Green. Granny Apple Green actually isn't in the pattern paper, but it doesn't have to be, because we're doing a Christmas theme. So I have my magnetic cutting plaid, a clear plaid, clear plate green. I'm gonna put Santa. Make it sure it's the right way. Cut him out real quick. And then gonna do the scallop circle that matches this plain circle. And I just cut down a piece of Granny Apple Green. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and color Santa as Caucasian today. The last time I colored him, I used the bronze for his skin. I'm going to use, of course, Poppy Parade. We're going to use Granny Apple Green. We're going to use Basic Black. Probably soft suede, and I think I'm gonna keep it to that. Hopefully that stayed in frame so you guys could see that. Let me move these markers to the side. I'm gonna back out just a little bit. Let's bring in our card base. I have a piece of Granny Apple Green that I've cut at 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2, and I've put an inside card layer of 4 by 5 1/4. I have a piece of the Santa's Workshop Designer Series paper, 4 by 5 1/4, and then a piece of the Merry Mistletoe that's cut at 2 1/2 by 4. Now you can see that this paper isn't Poppy Parade and Granny Apple Green. It's actually Real Red and Old Olive. But with the print being as small as it is, we can get away from it. Get away with it. From it. Got to. Okay, so I'm gonna add these two together with liquid glue. So you can see here that I have just about 1/8 of an inch that I need to cut off. So I'm gonna cut this off and I'll be right back. Actually, it wasn't even 1/8 of an inch. It was like 1/32 of an inch. It was a tiny little sliver. So we got that taken care of. And I have no idea where my washi tape or my Scotch tape is. So I'm gonna use some tearing tape. Just gonna wanna make sure that I'm kind of centered here. Use my scissors because I need to trim my nails. It's time for them to be done. So I'm gonna bring in the classic weave, textured weave ribbon in Poppy Parade. Gonna stick that down to the tearing tape. Then we're going to adhere this with Stampin' Dimensionals, which I just had. Oops. So anyway, to avoid any kind of necessary noise or unnecessary noises, I am filming this Sunday night. Roberto Brandy, my husband, he is bowling, and Roxy Sue Bear Catos is sleeping. So I figured this would be the best time to film for at least Monday. I may see if I can get everything filmed, but I've been working in my craft room. So I have a lot of stuff that needs to find its home or find a home. So put it on the list. There we go. That looks pretty straight. We are going to adhere these two together flat. Wrong side. Pop this up with dimensionals. I'm going to bring in some Wink of Stella because it's Christmas and we need some shimmer. You guys, my glue dots are missing. This is a travesty. What the heck? Wait, do I want this right there? Oh, jeez. Wait, I don't want it to cover up the sentiment. Nah. Right here? Yes. I'm going to use a piece of tearing tape. When all else fails, tearing tape it. And there we go. There's card number, is this day 10, 11, 17, 9 and 1? I don't even know. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me, putting up with me and my attempt at humor. I really appreciate you. Don't forget, you have until this Thursday to place your order of $75 or more using the hostess code that's over on the coordinating blog post. and purchasing either the Snow is Glistening or the other stamp set and the Snow Fall Thin Lids to get your free class from me. It's my last class of the 2018 holiday card series. We're going to be hitting cards like gangbuster over the next couple of weeks as we get closer and closer to that Christmas card deadline. I'll probably spend the week before Christmas doing some winter or Christmas themed thank yous. I'm not sure yet, but make sure you are subscribed, hit the notification bell, like this video if you enjoyed it, share it. That really helps my channel grow. I'm inching so close to 10,000. I would love to hit it by the end of the year. I don't know if I can do it, but with your help, we sure can. So thank you guys. I will see you real soon. Bye for now.